सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते श्रीमहालक्ष्मी विदायै नमः. Everybody pray from there. आगमार्थं तु देवानां गमनार्थं तु रक्षसाः देवता पूजनार्थाय गण्डां सम्पूजयामि देवताः संचिन्त्य. Now you take one petal and do archana to the Ganesha bimbam which you have with the turmeric. Om, everybody say Adhara Shaktaye Namaha. Nityam Ganesham Parama Gunayudham Dhyana Samstam Trinetram Ekam Devam Tvanekam Paramasukayudam Devadevam Anandam Om Bhurvasvaram Asminne Haridra Bimbe Sumukam Mahaganapati Dhyayami. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatim Havamage Kavim Kavina Upavasravastavam Yetarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspatha Anasranvan Otipesri Dasaranam. Everybody say Om Bhurvasvaram Asminne Haridra Bimbe Sumukam Mahaganapati Avagayami. Throw your hand like that and to the bimbam just do it like that. Avagayami. And put some akshara to the bimbam. Tatpurushaaya Vidmage Vakratumbhaya Dhimahi Tanno Dhanti Prachodayat. Asanam Samarpayami. Put some akshara. Mahaganapataye Namaha. Just put sprinkle water gently, little bit to the bimba. Padhyam Samarpayami. Ganapataye Namaha. Arghyam Samarpayami. One more time. Mukhe Ganapataye Namaha. Achamaniyam Samarpayami. One more time. Bhurvasvaha Vigneshwaraya Namaha. Snāmayami. One more time. Snānānantaram Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Vastra Yajna Upavita Ābharanāte Akshara Samarpayami. Gandhāndhāyami. With the forefinger and put it to the bottom. Impossible. Somebody can be that side.
Hello everyone, we are running just about 15 minutes behind. If anybody wants the second round of breakfast, please go for it. Probably the Madhyana would be around 11:30. Second round of breakfast, if anybody wants to have, please.